day 11 of Vlogmas. It's crazy that we're already that far in, but that does mean I do have a giveaway today, and if you stay tuned, I will tell you what that giveaway is. But today's video is just my hair care routine, and I'm also showing you how I style my hair and how I get like natural beach wavy curls, because I do this quite a lot. I do this when I post makeup videos or makeup pictures on Instagram. A lot of the time used to, when I had more time, my hair would always be kind of like wavy curly, and that's what I'm showing you how I do that today. And I'm also working with a super loved brand, and that is Duvall. So I have their hair wand right here. They sent me this curling wand to show you how to get curls, and I also have a discount for you. So if you look right here, you can see what that is. Isn't that so exciting? And then you can also go into the description box to get a link to everything, and if you want to write it down, you can, because this makes a great Christmas present. And they have tons of Christmas presents that are or tons of things on their website that are Christmas present appropriate, with it being that time of year. But I'm showing you my hair care routine. I'm showing you everything from what I do in the shower to after the shower to in the mornings to how I style it like this. So yeah, if you're interested in that kind of video, keep watching, and I'll go ahead and tell you what the giveaway today is. Today's giveaway is a $25 Victoria's Secret pink gift card. So if you're interested in winning that, all you have to do is go to the link or all the description is in the bio on how to win to enter, and that also makes a great Christmas present. So yeah, day 11 and day 12 is tomorrow, which is our bigger giveaway. So you can enter every day. I have 10 other videos on my channel, but yeah, this was also a requested video to see what I do, and this is what I do. I do have naturally straight hair. Anything that can get it to even like beach wavy curls is a win for me. So keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I haven't done anything to my hair today. I do have naturally straight hair, and my hair is more on the oily side. If you're wondering, if you're not that, then some of the things I say may not be helpful, but I will show you like how I style my hair, you know, all that good stuff like I said. So anyway, this is what I wake up in the morning looking like. I know a lot of people are like, tell me like, I wish I had straight hair. I wish I had curly hair. We all are gonna wish that we had what we don't have. I love big natural curly hair. I think that's so stinking beautiful. So if you have that, just know that there's someone out there, and her name is Claire, and she wants your hair. So just putting that out there. Just love what you got. I am getting better at loving my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush it with a hairbrush right now. I have I have very long hair right now, so this is another challenge today. I think this might be the longest my hair has ever been, but I have very tangly, thick hair too. I get asked a lot about like hair care routine videos, so I'm just gonna flat out tell you everything that I do. Feels like I'm ripping my hair, and a lot of hairdressers are probably like, stop it, but that's what I do. I also love going to bed with my hair wet. I know that's weird, you probably shouldn't do that. But that's just, I love like having wet hair when I go to bed. It's weird. So anyway, we'll start real quick. I'll show you what kind of shampoos and conditioners I use. So what I do, I get in the shower, and I am the type of person that washes their hair twice and conditions once. So I know I don't always do it if my hair is like super clean. I wash my hair every day. I wish I could go more than a day without washing my hair, but even with dry shampoo, my hair is so oily. So the shampoo I find that works for me for my oily hair and that makes it kind of thick and full is this Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen shampoo from OGX. I got this, I believe, from Target. You've seen this brand before. This is like the big bottle. You can get this from like, I'm sure Walmart, Walgreens, Rite Aid, all the drugstores. It's like this is the big bottle, so this was like $10. The little bottles are like $6. And so I'll wash my hair with that, and then I'll let it out, and sometimes I'll use that one again, and sometimes I'll mix it up and use this one. This is the Renewing Argan Oil in Morocco, and you're probably thinking, you put oily shampoo in your hair. This, I just really like the smell of it, if I'm being honest, and this is by that same brand, so it's more renewing. And my hair isn't always like super oily. I do like it to be shiny, which I feel like it is most of the time, but yeah, that's what I do. And so after I shampoo twice, I will use my conditioner, and this is the conditioner I use. I love this conditioner. This is the same brand, the Nourishing Coconut Milk but the trick to not get oily hair is to just put it on the ends of your hair, because the ends of my hair are more dead because it's so long. So I just like condition the ends of my hair, and while I like wash my body, wash my face, I'll let it sit and then I wash it out. So shampoo, I wash it out instantly both times, like put it in, lather, rinse, and then repeat, and then condition just the ends, let it sit for like 3 minutes, and then wash out the ends of my hair, and it's like super easy to comb out after you do that. This next product that I'm going to show you is like my favorite thing I've ever had. I don't know how I lived without it. It is this random hair lotion, and like I said, the ends of my hair are frizzy. If you can tell, I shouldn't have worn black, but they're so frizzy. I need a haircut. I'm probably going to cut it off in January, but this is the KMS Tang Frizz Soothing Lotion, and so this is so good, I feel like, for any kinds of hair. And even the hairdresser I used told me, like, even though you have oily hair, it's still good. So this is like one full pump, and all I do is just run it through the ends of my hair, and it makes it so sleek and like silky feeling. And see, it's not like frazzled out anymore. Well, it is when I do that, but see, it's like just straight, and it smells so delicious. It smells so good. So that's pretty much that, and that's like pretty much my routine from night to morning. But I do have other things that I do when I do my hair up. And when I say do my hair up, I mean like actually like put effort into it, because I don't always. Another random thing that I do like to do is I take this Mario Badescu facial spray, and sometimes I'll spray it in my hair before going to work, and I did it before going to class. It just kind of makes it smell good and just like makes you feel like you did something. Something I really love is this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. If I'm like going out for the day, like having a good, I don't know, like a busy day, like where I want to take pictures and like be with a lot of people, if I shampoo my hair in the morning, then after I will put this in before I like blow dry my hair, and it smells so good. This is like the sample bottle, but I've been using this for a long time. And then also another thing that I like to do if I just want some volume in my hair, and if I'm going like out somewhere, I will use this Kenra Platinum Boosting Spray Foam. And so you'll spray it into damp hair in sections and blow dry, so it kind of helps you if you want to give yourself like a natural blowout. These are like two of my brushes. This is actually new. I know it doesn't look new. A round brush is like key if you want to have more of a blown out look. So I spray any of those in before I blow dry it. I'll make sure I use this instead of just a regular hairbrush. And also when I had bangs, which they're still like kind of there, I'm thinking about getting those again too. I can't decide. I don't know, this is just a lot. These are also key to getting like rounded out bangs. And if you take them in the morning, if they're like flat and being weird, take your bangs, wet them, put them under a round brush and blow dry them, and like wave them out like that, and they will be like super full and act right. So that's what I have to do when I had bangs. And so I'm super excited to be working with a super well-loved company of mine that I've always loved, and I've used other products of theirs before, and they reached out to me about this, and I was like, yes, because I've been wanting to film a hair care routine, and I love curling my hair. Y'all know I have naturally straight hair, so if I can find a curling wand or curling iron that will hold curl and like actually do a good job, then I've like won the jackpot, because my hair does not ever want to curl, but I love it when it is curled. Like I said, I love curly hair. So they sent me this Duvall, it's by the brand Duvall, just so you know, a professional titanium curling wand, and this is their Pro Series curling wand. And I have a discount for you if you want to use it. You can go into the description box. I'll link it down below. I think this would make such a good Christmas present, because I know so many girls, because you know, I follow so many like girls, like beauty bloggers and fashion bloggers, that always have their hair done, and they're always using this brand too, and they purchase this brand when they talk about what they use to curl their hair. And so when I got reached out to from them, I was so excited, because I was like, I know it's good because all of these people that I admire use it too. And so I just want to show you like how I'm going to use it today. So they send it in this box. It's really big too. I think this is the 32 millimeter, I believe. If it's not, I'll link exactly what I have down below. And it can go up to 430 degrees also, which most of mine have only ever gone up to like 410. And so why would I touch that? Why would I do that? And they also sent a glove with the wand, and this is like, again, their Pro Series, to keep you from like burning yourself, so I may have to use that in a second. So when I curl my hair, what I do, I pull it up, half down, because my hair is so thick so thick, and it's so long that it's impossible to do it all, you know, at one time. So I do have to pull it up, half down, just messy or whatever. Another thing before I get started, this is just like a sentimental story. This comb right here has been with me through everything. I just wanted to show y'all because I was looking through my like hair stuff drawer, and this comb I have had since like elementary school, and I have lost this comb so many times. I don't even know where this comb came from. It's so junky, it needs to be thrown away. But I used to think I was a celebrity in like middle school, and I used to like to do a sleek back ponytail, like to do party down the middle, because I wanted to be a Kardashian from a very young age. It was very strange. And I left this at so many, like I lost this with like so many basketball games I went to and like cheerleading things, and I think I left it at cheer camp one time, but somehow it always comes back. I don't know how. I don't really use it as much today because I don't really do the sleek back look anymore, but it was not a look to begin with, just so y'all know y'all aren't missing anything. So I also, before I curl my hair, after I pull it up, half down, I go in with this Tresemme extra firm control hairspray. This is really good. I also really like the Aussie freezing hairspray if you want like super spirally curls, but today I think I want more of a like a light look. And I also don't have a really good mirror. I have my makeup mirror, so I can't really see what all I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do a little light spritz of Rooney. I also like to do my hair, like if I'm curling it, I like to do it normally before I do my makeup, so it doesn't like get hairspray on my makeup and make me feel weird and kind of gross. I'm just gonna take this in little strands. I may actually do bigger strands in a second because I don't know if I want like a super tight curls, but for me to have like curly hair that lasts longer, I need to do it in smaller portions, because the bigger I do, the more it'll fall out. War Eagle goes with the holiday glam I got going. So with that curl, I didn't hold it long enough because I was thinking about my shirt. So we're gonna do that again. And yeah, I just like to do it in like smaller pieces. Again, like my hair is like naturally straight. It does not enjoy curling, and my hair does curl better when it's dirty, which I've heard that too from like hairdressers and stuff. So you want to make sure it is a little bit dirtier. Oh, that's a good one. See, that's a good one. That's a good curl. And then after I do like my whole head of hair, I will like brush through it kinda. And my roommate Anna last year, who's one of my best friends, she would curl my hair a lot, and like before we'd go out, because she was really good at it, and she would tease it. So she would use like a little what do you call it, like just like a little teasing brush. I don't even know what they're called, if that's what they're called. And she would like tease my hair up real big, and it was so pretty and like just really voluminous and curly. And okay, yeah, this is what I like. That's what I like to see. Because I like soft curls. I don't really want spirally curls. So we're gonna try a little bit of a bigger piece of hair to show you what it looks like when I use like thicker hair, because I feel like a lot of people can do their hair in thick strands, but I just can't. So again, if you want a discount on this, I would definitely recommend it, because I don't know, maybe it's just me because I've always had like a cheaper curling wand, but this one goes up to like a higher degree, and it feels like really sturdy, and it's obviously curling it. And like I said, my hair is just like not curl friendly, so if it does curl at all, then it's a winning. So just hold it for like, I do like 8 to 10 seconds or so, depending on like how thick or thin your hair is. You might have to do it less time. Once I finish the bottom layer of hair, like as you can see, it like with it, when it's a thicker wand, it'll give me more beach wave, and I'll go back through again and like spray it with hairspray. And then after that, I just kind of zhuzh it, and I don't brush it out until like right before I leave for wherever I'm going, because it'll just fall. So now we're gonna do this layer. Sometimes I'll do it in 3 layers, but I think today, since we're doing more beach waves, bigger curls, one day I'll show you a tutorial on how I get more like fuller, like tinier curls, like bigger for my kind of hair. But today it's more of a simple kind of day. So I'm gonna spray this layer with hairspray now. I think I swallowed some. And the top side of my hair always obviously curls easier because I do it more in smaller pieces. Okay, so I put the robe back on so you can't see as well. I don't know why my hair looks so dark because I'm a redhead, but it's looking like really dark. So I finished just kind of going through all the little pieces because again, like I'm going for more beach waves, like a full, I feel like a Jessie James Decker hair look is kind of what I'm going for. Like obviously it's kind of curled, but at the same time it's more just like texture curled. And so if you want more smaller curls, you'll just use like a smaller wand, duh. But I'm so thankful to be working with Duvall for this video to show you how to get like full beachy waves, and that was my whole hair care routine. It's really simple. One more thing, sometimes I will use dry shampoo in the day if my hair is kind of getting oily, because again it gets oily really quick, and I like the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. There are other kinds of dry shampoo you can use, but also if you just want to like, give yourself some like volume, if you just want to smell nice, I feel like that works. But yeah, so this is my overall just kind of messy curly beach wavy look, and if you want the discount, go to the link in the bio. It's definitely worth it and a great Christmas present. And I also have their face spinner scrubber thing that you've seen in my skincare routine video, and it works wonders. Like that's how I get clear skin too. But yeah, so that was it for today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.